The good news here is that the potential to improve the water use efficiency of our actions, the water productivity of what we do, is enormous. We can do more of what we want with less and less water, and agriculture is a perfect example of this. We can grow more food with less water, and we can do that in a lot of different ways. We can do it by improving the efficiency of irrigation. We can move from flood irrigation, where we've used traditional methods of just basically flooding fields to moisten the soil and irrigate the crops, which is very, very cheap and easy to do, but extraordinarily wasteful from a water point of view. Vast amounts of water are lost to what we call unproductive evaporation, to more precision sprinklers, to even more precise drip irrigation. And more crops are capable of being irrigated with sprinklers or drip. Some, rice irrigation still requires flood irrigation, but more and more crops could be done with much more efficient irrigation technology. Another piece of this puzzle is we used to irrigate sort of just whenever. Farmers would flood fields when they had water. Today, we're able to measure much more precisely the soil moisture content of our fields and how moisture demanding our crops are at any given time. We do that with remote sensors, we do it with satellites, we do it with drones, and that permits us with smarter computer systems to apply the right amount of water in the right place at the right time. And that's a big water savings as well. We can also change what we choose to grow and where we choose to grow it. We used to grow 1 million acres of cotton in California, an incredibly water-intensive crop. And now we grow 1/10 that amount of cotton. We're growing more water productive crops, more valuable crops with less water. So this idea of more food with less water can be achieved in a lot of different ways. And it's a critical way forward. Worldwide, 80% of the water humans use goes to agriculture. In California, 80% of the water we withdraw from the system, humans withdraw from the system, goes to agriculture. And so it's incredibly important that we continue to grow the food we need, of course, but that we do it in a much more productive manner, because there's not much more untapped water to meet growing demands.